Hi, this is Les Per Year. Today I stumbled onto something that I could do on ChatGPT that I didn't know I could do. I'm working on a video about the Blue Ridge Mountain Dancers, and there's some text in a book that I want to look at, read, and I want to maneuver and all that. But the problem is that it's in a book. And so I want to be able to get the text out of the book and into a Word document or something so that I can manipulate it, add to it, delete it, change it, do whatever I want to do with it. So not plagiarize it, but just use it as a guide. So I gave it a try, and I was able to do that in ChatGPT. I was able to convert a picture of text into real text. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now we're taking a look at my Mac, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. Let me move this out of the way. And I'm just going to show you real time. I'm not going to try to do a screen record or anything like that. So I'm just going to work it, and you can see how I do it. I'm making a video about the Blue Ridge Mountain Dancers, the original ones, and I want to go to that file that has all my information in it, and I want to pull up a part of a book, and it's got some really good information in here, but I want to be able to actually have it in a document. So how can I do that? Well, here's what I can do. I can go ahead and just highlight the text. Okay, I got the text highlighted, and then I'm going to Command C it, which means I copied it. All right, so I'm going to minimize that and get out of this and go over to ChatGPT. Okay, we're going to start a new chat. So now in ChatGPT it says ready when you are, ask anything. So I'm going to copy the picture of the text in here. So now it's got the text in here. So what I want to ask it to do is to convert text into Word document. And then I hit the arrow, and it starts thinking about it, analyzing, and this is real time. I'm not cutting and pasting and waiting for it to go and then showing you the end of it. This is about how long it takes. So it's trying to figure out how to do that, and here we go. I think it says I've converted the text into a Word document for you. You can download it right here. So there's a file called Precision Clogging James Kesterton, and I'm going to open that up. Now I've got a Word document with the text that I highlighted. It's been converted to text in a Word document. I can erase something. I can type something if I want. I can do whatever I want with it. I can get rid of half of it. So now I have something I can work with. And that's how you convert a picture of text into real text that you can deal with. And you do it through ChatGPT. I found out how to do this today by accident, and so I thought I would share it with you guys. So I hope it helps you, and have a great day.